Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. And if you have watched my previous video on Euro USD, then you know it pretty well that yes, we need some volatility, we need some movement in the market. And as you can see right now, after the market opening, market is flat. Okay, market is totally dull. Okay, just look at the condition of the market. And if I zoom in, then one thing we can see that market has formed two hammer candles, which means that yes, buyers are still present in the market who are not allowing the market to go down. Otherwise, if you ask me, Avilash, whether I should buy or whether I should sell, I'll tell that you should do nothing right now because the market is flat. In this type of market, you never know where the market will go. So, do you think this market is worth your hard-earned money? No, not at all. So if you are a trader who is only interested in Euro USD, then you should wait. Okay, because see, this is the 4 hours chart, and in this, if you look at the 4 hours chart, then we can easily see that market is in uptrend. Yes, there was a sharp fall during their Friday trading session, but yes, market recovered also. But overall, if you look at the chart, then yes, market is still in uptrend. So considering the overall trend of the market, considering the overall uptrend, then we should, or it will be safe for us to look for buying opportunity. If you are an experienced trader, then you can go for counter trend trading. Otherwise, if you're a beginner, you are struggling with the forex trading and all, then only look for buying opportunities. Do not go against the trend. Okay. And secondly, as I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Whether the market is in uptrend, downtrend, doesn't matter. Whenever you go for any trading or any order, you should always look for the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading position. In an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support, and in a downtrend market, the best shorting opportunity or the best uh, trading opportunity or the best place is the resistance. Okay, so in this case, in this uptrend market, yes, the area of value is the support. And right now we can see that more or less this red line, okay, this red line is acting as a resistance, sorry, support to the market. Yes, there was a breach, but market recovered. So overall we can consider this trend line as a valid support. Still it is a valid support, but there is a big but here. Okay, big but. And the but is, according to our general understanding of the market, according to our general understanding of the chart, we know it very well that whenever market reaches a support, okay, it should bounce, and if it does not bounce, then it should go down. Okay. So we can see that, we can easily see that this trend line is acting as a resistance, sorry, support. This is acting as a support. And right now market is trading at the support. 5 candles. Each candle is 4 hours, so 20 hours. So market is trading at the support. Market is lying flat at the support. Market is having no steam. It is just lying flat at the support. Okay, for 20 hours. For 20 hours, market is at the support, but still there is no movement. Okay. Still there is no movement, which means that buyers are not that powerful. Okay, right now buyers are there in the market, but they do not have the power to take the price upward. Though market is lying at the support, market is respecting the support. You can see that market is respecting the support, but still there is no upward movement. Market is totally dead. So what you should do now, if you want to take a risk, still I'll say that you should not take the risk right now, because market is in overbought zone. Just look at the position of the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI is in overbought zone. So let the stochastic RSI cool off. Let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold zone. Okay, have some patience. As I always say, do not chase the market. To never chase the market, let the price come to you. So let the market come down to the oversold zone. Then look at the position of the price. Okay. If stochastic RSI comes down to the oversold zone, then look at the position of the price. Just see where the market is, where the price is. If you see that market is still trading above this trend line, then you can go for a small risk. You can go for a buy order. Okay. If you find market at the oversold zone, market trading above the support level, then you can go for buy in this price level, the current price level. Okay. Or the second opportunity for you is wait for the market to cross this particular level. You can see the black line. Okay. Wait for the market to cross the black line. When market will cross the black line, then you will again get an opportunity. But do remember, confirmation is always important. Okay. In case you see that market has crossed this black line, but there is not much pressure in the market, the candles are very smaller, candles are suffocating, then do not buy. Okay, try to understand the market psychology, try to read the chart, try to understand the emotion of the candles. Just look at the present candles. Okay, just look at the present candles. Don't you think that these candles are very lame? They do not have the power. Okay, they do not signify any buying pressure nor any selling pressure. Okay, so if you see this kind of candles near this black line, okay, at this price level 1.2215, if you see this kind of candles around this price level, crossing this price level, do you think market will have the pressure, market will have the buying power? No, hell no. Therefore avoid. If market crosses this level 1.2215 level with good candles like this, then you can go for buying order. Okay, you'll understand that, or you'll get the idea that yes, buyers are there, buyers are interested in taking the market upward. But if you see candles like this, okay, then they are useless. Okay, so before executing any order, try to understand the chart, try to read the emotion of the market, then only go for order. So as of now, market is flat, not much thing to do here. So wait for the market to give us some direction, some steam, some pressure, so that we can go for the order. So wait for some time so that we can have some action. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow then.